Hi Birain.
Hi Naya, how are you?
Not bad. What's about you?
I'm good. I need someone to talk.
I'm always here for you.
I know, but
But, what's wrong?
I like her so much.
Then what? Go and talk to her.
But I don't know she like me or not.
Don't say that. You are perfect for her. You are amazing. Really?
I just wanna tell her how I feel.
Then tell her.
But I think she won't like me.
How do you know that?
I'm okay, I can just tell.
Well, just tell her.
What should I say? At first?
Tell her how much you like her.
I tell her that daily.
What you mean?
I'm always with her. I love her.
I know how you feel. I have same problem, but he'll never like me.
Wait, who do you like?
Oh, someone.
Oh, she won't like me either.
She does.
How do you know?
Because who wouldn't like you?
You?
You're wrong. I love you.
Really?
Yes.
I love you too, dear.